Hello, my name is Mr. Schaus and I'm an English teacher here at the high school. Currently I'm teaching English 10 and I'm teaching the college credit class through Niagara County Community College. Today I just want to take a couple minutes to talk about the course and what makes English unique. First off, I think English is different from most other courses in the fact that we are a skills course. Most courses have content that needs to be learned, dates to know, names to know, math formulas to learn. But in English, we are about improving our skills and the skills of reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So all of those skills we work on throughout the year, and regardless of the content that we use to sharpen those skills are what are eventually going to help us out no matter what we become, whether it's a lawyer, a doctor, a poet, an artist, a musician, an athlete. Wherever we are headed in life, reading, writing, listening, and speaking are going to be skills that are crucial to our success. For English, there is a New York State Regents Exam that is taken your junior year. There's only one exam for all of high school. And again, it's a skills-based exam, so our reading and our writing activities are all going to be geared towards fitting that Regents model. However, we're going to then apply that to bigger things because at the end of the day, English is not just about passing an exam, right? It's about the exploration of the human experience. It's about what it means to be a human being and discovering our place in the world. We use literature as a mirror to see ourselves, as a lens to see what it means to be a human being. So that is the focus for the year. Now, for this course, we have all of our content, all of our assignments are on the Schoology platform. So in order to access Schoology, you just go to www.schoology.com and you can log in with your school email, and then your password will be capital R, lowercase o, lowercase y, followed by the year you were born, right? So the 4-digit year you were born, and then the 2-digit day you were born. So if you were born on the 6th of May, right, it would be 06. For a parent, if you would like a parent account so that you can also see Schoology, see all the assignments, all the grades, due dates, all the materials that we are using, all you have to do is email me at cschaus@royhart.org, and I'll make sure that you have a parent account with which you can access all of the materials in the course. Okay, it's going to be a great year. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Again, my email is cschaus@royhart.org.